So now we are on chapter number 9, which is zombie modifiers. Now let's use our above level modifier to create some function. Our game will have some incentive for people to level up their zombies. For zombie level 2 and higher, user will be able to change their name. For zombie level 20 and higher, user will be able to give them custom DNA. Will implement this function below. Here's the example code for the previous lesson references. For the test, create a function called change name. Now let's create a function change name. It will take two arguments, uint underscore zombie id, then a string underscore new name. Make it external. It should have above level modifier, above level modifier, and should pass in 2 for the level underscore level parameter, to find the level parameter, uh, underscore zombie id. So here it is. Note call data. Sorry. We need to set it call data. Call data is somehow similar to memory, but it's only available to the external function. Okay. In this function, first we need to verify that message to sender is equal to zombie owner. Underscore zombie underscore id to use require statement. So let's add a require. Uh, Message to sender is equal to zombie to owner underscore zombie id. Okay. Then the function should set zombie id dot name equal to new name zombies underscore zom id dot name equal to new name. Create another function called named change DNA function. Okay. Its definition and contents will be almost identical to chain name, except its second argument will be underscore DNA uint. Okay. So uint and new DNA external above level 20 comma underscore zombie id. Okay. Here it is. Just copy these two lines. And here we are checking the setting the DNA. So here it is. Yes, that's it. Let's check the answer. That is correct. So we have completed chapter number 9. Now let's move on to chapter number 10.